Alright, so this is my Syma X5C, and I bought this a couple weeks ago, and I have been flying it around trying to get used to it because I'm a noob to flying quadcopters. And the one thing I noticed was I was having problems figuring out which way was the front. When I bought the copter, though, I had already purchased blades because I knew that I was going to have this problem. I've flown regular helicopters, like regular RC helicopters before, and I always get confused which way I'm going. So with a quadcopter it's very easy. Red blades in the front, white blades in the back. That way I know which way the copter's facing. It'll be a little bit easier. So I got these blades, and I got these from China. The one thing about these blades are the blades are a little bit shorter than the original blades. After flying a test flight, though, at first when I got the blades, I was like, "Oh, these are gonna suck." But after the test flight, the actual quadcopter is more stable in flight, and it takes off faster. And I was really surprised because the blade is smaller. Let me show you the original blade. And then the blade, like if you look at one of the blades on this, it's actually quite shorter. Another thing is these blades, the original blades, are fairly flexible. They're really flexible, like they flex a whole lot, even though they have this really nice, you can see it right there, where there's an X, where they have the plastic kind of built up, so it's kind of strengthen that area. Well, these, they have kind of a little X going on there, but it's not as prominent. But the blades don't really bend as much. They bend on the tips, but they don't bend near the centers as much. They're a little bit stiffer. But I got 2 packs of these, so I have 2 sets, and they were $2 a piece from China. So you can't beat it. And if anybody wants to know, I'll put the link below from the actual place that I bought them. But I was really surprised. They actually work really good. So we'll keep the original blades. We'll see what happens whenever I get better at flying this thing. We'll move on to a better quadcopter, or not better, but a different quadcopter. And then we'll move on up to, something with maybe GPS and stuff. I just want to learn how to fly them first. Without, I don't want to spend like $300 and then put it into a tree. Alright, well, you guys take it easy.